Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I just wanted to come on today and share with you this paper collection that I picked up from Country Craft Creations. It is made by Simple Stories and it is called Wildflower. I just am loving this look. So I'm going to show you the papers pretty quickly and give you my ideas on what I'm going to be making. But look at this beautiful, beautiful pink array of flowers here. The large, I mean, this is my hand. This is how large this flower is on this sheet. It's just beautiful. You could do some beautiful fussy cutting if that's something that you like to do, and put those on an album or a layout. But this is the back side of the sheet. I think that is just adorable. Then we have this mustard yellow, and on this mustard yellow on the back side is a pink moth version. So this is so pretty. You have this stripe, and then this is the back side, the blue moth version. So very pretty. If you like making 3D type of projects, I could see this pinstripe almost as a couple different things. A wallpaper to use if you're making like the inside of a dollhouse, perhaps. Maybe you want to use this as part of your Father's Day project, so that you could have a shirt cut out or a tie. That would be pretty. So here's the blue moth, and let's move on to this beautiful mustard background, floral, and you have on the back side of that the pink checkered paper. That's gorgeous. Mid-sized flower compared to the other one for cutting out. Then you have the tiger cats here. And on the back side of that, you have a blue version of like cherry blossoms. Okay, it's a cool print. And then you have the mustard color of the cherry blossoms, I'd call it. And the back side of that one is this gorgeous, I think it almost looks like a print from an Asian print. Look at the birds there in the background. I think what those birds are called. If you know what those birds are called, maybe place that in the comments below. It's gonna bother me now. What the heck is the name of that? But that paper is called, maybe it'd be Breathe Deep, which is a Breathe Deep. Then you have this beautiful paper, and that is the back side, which is the gorgeous blue version of those floral prints. So could you see that as a layout, 12 by 12 layout? Might do some of that. But what I'm thinking is that this collection is just perfect. Reminds me of my daughter-in-law. I'm planning on using this from my stash and introducing some of the sticker sheet here. So here's the sticker sheet for the collection. You have some lovely words. This piece down here at the bottom with the scalloped edge. Then you have your cut apart. So here's the 4x6 cut apart sheet. Here's the mixed cut apart. So you have some 4x4s, 2x2s right here. Then you have this cut apart that are 3x4s. Okay. And then you have a mixed version of cut aparts that have some journaling. These are the journal elements. And then you have the tag elements, and these have some really cool sayings on them. So really cute. This would be good for cards, for pullouts in your maybe a mini album that you make. Check out here if you have a special date that you want to remember, and you can just circle the date and the month. That would be really cool. So that is one collection that I picked up from Country Craft Creations, and will be using that as part of my upcoming design team projects. Real quick, another collection that I picked up is this Simple Stories Vintage Basics Kit right here. And then to go with that, I have this gorgeous Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. Collection. And I'll show you a few of these sheets. I went ahead and pulled these out because I do want to make a couple of 12 by 12 layouts with these 2 pages. I think this is just gorgeous. And then, let's see, together with that, you have the tag page. These are the tag elements. So how pretty is that? Love these spring colors. You have these journal elements here. Okay. You have the 3 by 4 elements. How cool is this? Look at that on some cards. That would be pretty. Take the photo. Just take the photo. Enjoy the moment. True beauty. Yeah, I think these are really pretty. You got that beautiful stripe on the back. That's your color rainbow stripe. Then here are the 2 by 2 and 4 by 4 elements. These are the cut aparts here in this collection. Again, really, really pretty. Backside is this gorgeous blue color. You have these large floral prints. I'm really digging the large floral prints on these collections. So you can see I've got 2 of these sheets because the backside is that really pretty polka dot. So that would be a beautiful layout as well. Right? You got this page, which is called Make Time. So it's all these different tickets and tags. Really cool, and that's the back side. I showed you that one before. You have these butterflies. It's called Dream On. And the back side of that is this pink sheet here. Dream On. Those go together. Then you have the My Favorite page, and this is the back side here. With all the text overlapping paper prints. And this gorgeous Celebrate Life. So wouldn't that be gorgeous for a remembrance 12 by 12 layout? The back side of that is a really, really pretty green. So I think that would just be so pretty. Hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of a couple of things that I picked up from Country Craft Creations, and I hope to see you back here real soon. And until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Goodbye.